Alright guys, so I told you I would get back to you in about a month or so with my ROAV DashCam C1. I've had it for about a month and a half now, to be honest. Honestly, still super happy. I was getting kind of concerned or worried that I might have some dark spots on the lens or something. We've had quite a few hot days here the last couple weeks. I was thinking, maybe it might affect the chipset or something like that, maybe give me some dark spots like I was saying. But no, I mean, absolutely nothing. The lights you see flickering in the back of this truck, it's not a glitch right, it's the LED headlights that I have. It's the way they revert back into the lens. But overall, honestly, been super duper happy. No complaints, no nothing at all. Like I said, we've had quite a few hot days where I would get in the car and it's just smoldering hot. I have a black car, black interior. As you might know, it gets warm. I tinted the windows, sure, but helps some. Not much. Still very happy. I would get kind of nervous thinking, I feel the side of the camera or anything like that when I first get in the car. I'm like, holy mackerel, it's hot. No, I mean, honestly, it works just fine. No issues whatsoever. I'm going to fast forward here for just a second because this intersection, the light is just, it's terrible. It probably takes a good 5 minutes just to get through it. So I'm going to fast forward here real quick. Okay, now we're moving again. To be honest, no complaints, no major issues or anything like that. I know I said in my first video that I was going to probably format the SD card once a month, give or take some time. Which I did after I just pulled this video of me recording on the way home. Once I got home, I pulled it off the camera, and once it was done, I went ahead and formatted the SD card, because why not? Like I said, it is a 64 gig card, but I've had a couple decently long trips, obviously driving almost every single day, short trips here and there. So I know it was full, probably overwriting itself several times, so I just wanted to make sure I gave it another good, clean, fresh start, which makes sense. But to be honest, again, no complaints at all. The only thing I really wish was better, and I know I put this in my first video, the only real good way to pull the videos from the camera is via Wi-Fi Direct, hooking up your phone or your tablet or your laptop to the camera. Like I said before, and I've yet to figure out a good way to do it, I tried pulling the micro SD card out and putting it into my Surface or my desktop just to pull the files that way, because why not? It's a heck of a lot quicker. It would make sense. No, not really. It makes absolutely no sense. The file structure is all over the place. That's the best way I can put it. So, like I said, the Wi-Fi transfer, it's nice because you don't have to go pulling the card out, transfer it, putting it back in the camera, blah, blah, blah. Cool. It's slow. I mean, you're looking at, I think I average about 1.5-ish megabits a second, which doesn't seem too terrible, but when you have a 10-minute long video at 1080p, I mean, it's a decently sized file. I think the one I just pulled, let me pull it up here real quick, almost a gig. It's almost a gig, so if you think about it at maximum, I think I would hit about 1.5, and for some reason, due to wonderful Wi-Fi, it would fluctuate quite a bit. I would go down to 900 and I'd go back up. So that process took me probably about 10 minutes sitting in the car just waiting for the gosh darn thing to download the video. Okay, yeah, I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to dwell on that issue. It's not really an issue even. It's just, it's time. We all have time. But anyway, still haven't hardwired it yet. I really wanted to make sure I wanted this camera as a permanent solution, if you will. So I am going to be getting a hardwiring kit, like I said prior. Don't know if I'm going to do like an add a fuse or actually tap into my accessory line. I'm not too sure what I'll do yet. I'll figure that out. It's no big thing either way. But I do have a couple big trips coming up, and I kind of want to free up that cigarette lighter, plus get rid of that ugly wire that's hanging around my console, which, I mean, it's not terrible. It wraps real nice and tight the way I was able to zip tie everything up. But yeah, I'd like to free that up. I just hate it, to be honest with you. Not a fan. I like clean installs. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. If you want to see something in particular, maybe some more night shots, some some more audio. Like I said, I did mute this one out. I was listening to SiriusXM on the way home. Didn't want to have to deal with any of that nonsense. Like, it's nonsense, but just leave it be. So I figured I'd let you guys sit here and listen to my wonderful voice. But like I said, couldn't be happier. It's a mid-range camera. It was cheap, so the quality is good. It's not freaking awesome or phenomenal or anything like that, but it's good. It does the job. It does what I need it to do. If I get close enough, if I can zoom in on these videos that I'm taking, I can see license plates. That's all I need. Fun fact, coming around this corner right here, cop. We were all kind of flying down the hill there. We all want to go home. Oh boy. No big thing. So we're all just moseying around the corner. Shit you not, I kind of thought I was going to get pulled over for a minute for whatever reason, whether it was my window tint or what. It's 35%. It's not super dark enough. Black interior, it looks darker. I have a valid case against that, so it is legal for where I live. So that's a good thing. And it turns out he wanted that Impala for whatever reason in front of that Dodge in front of me. Don't know why, but who knows. I was kind of hoping to get it on the wherever I seen them, where I caught up to them. I was hoping to pick it up on this same clip. I didn't. It just cut out probably about 20 seconds before I got to them, so I was like, yeah, whatever. As soon as I made the turn here, I heard sirens, and I'm like, yeah, let me mosey on over, because I wasn't too sure if it was me. I'm like, what is going on? But he, boom, blew past me. Okay, I feel better. But anyway, like I said, he ended up getting them down the road, so no big deal. But super happy. Like I said, if you guys want to see something in particular, want to have more night shots, maybe something in the cities, let me know what you think. Let me know what you're looking for. I knew when I was shopping for one of these, I wanted to know what I was getting into. So if you want to see something, let me know. Hit it up down in the comments. I don't have a problem with it at all. I drive around as it is anyway. So let me know. I'll pull some clips, put them up for you if you guys want something. Not a biggie. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. Quick, short video. I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.